So have the same question, except this time we're looking at grouping the cubes into 5. So rather than putting them groups of in 5 equal groups, or sharing them into 5 equal groups, we're putting them into groups of 5. Again, because I know my times tables, if I count in 5s up to 35, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 5, 35 into groups of 5 equals 7. Sharing, there are 7 cubes in each group. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Grouping, there are 7 groups of 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So even though the wording's different and perhaps your working out's different, the sum will actually look the same. Here we have 15 conkers. Conkers are shared into 5 equal groups. So we share them between 5. Okay, we kept going back with 1, 1, 1, 1. If we look at grouping them in 5s, we can put 5 there, 5 there, 5 there. It gives you the same sum and the same answer. Use the array to complete the calculations. So something times 5 equals something. Okay. Now we aren't going to find the answer because we only have one number. So we need to work out these here. Times 5. So we're looking at 5. Now if we look across the rows, that's column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 here. Alright. We found that this was 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first answer is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Now, we can use this answer, 30, because that's how many we found all together. So 30 will go here. And actually, if we divide them into groups of 5, they will be 6. Have a go at the worksheet now, please.